Kazakhstan 2 times. Trying to top roll here. The Turkish guy. He's giving everything he had, the Turkish guy here. He's also in a good position. Yeah, there it is, the win.